Hello. How are you doing?
I'm good, but I just have some problems with my hair.
All
I
right.
really love my wave. I think it's part of my personality, but I feel they are really dry.
I'm here to help you. So we're going to take a look. You'll see.
Yeah.
We're starting to see the end split up. All the white is the dryness on the hair. I'm going to suggest you a day routine, and at the same time, I'm going to suggest you a new night routine. Okay, Leonor, this will be your new routine. First thing, start washing your hair with bain satin d'eau to cleanse and nourish your hair. Squeeze as much water out of your hair as possible before applying the mask. Your new best friend will be Masqueintense to deeply moisturize your beautiful waves. Massage to the ends and lengths to make it penetrate. Leave it in for 5 minutes. Finish with applying nectar thermic on lengths and ends before you blow dry. This will protect your hair against heat. Before you go to bed, apply 8-hour Magic Night Serum on your hair. Since you want to make your hair more curly, twist curls around your fingers to add definition. In order to create beautiful curls, you should not sleep on them. When you sleep, we turn our heads all the time, rubbing the hair against the pillow. This will cause serious breakage, frizz and damage to the hair. So I suggest you to put your hair up in ponytail toward your forehead. Don't tie the hair elastic too tightly around the hair to avoid friction. Like this, the serum can perfectly penetrate into the fiber. Bonne nuit. You will wake up to beautiful, nourished, well-defined curls without any frizz.